Welcome to 2024 ICS ECGN CSR Summit. I hope you were part of the inaugural session. Have you been to the stalls and the exhibition part? We are proud to announce this year we are having 2,500 plus delegates, 180 plus speakers, and 230 plus organizations. And that would not be possible without your support. Here MAD or EVP. I just overheard ma'am. She is part of EVP in her organization and she is driving employee volunteering. Unfortunately, EVP, even though it's not part of direct CSR, we have two experts who will be giving insights on that, who are going to be our jury as well. So before we move, everybody might have this question, na, what is this MAD ad? Abhi aake hum log ye sab karenge? Yeah, how it will impact developmental sector or a social impact or a social development में MAD ad से क्या होता है? थोड़ी ना बच्चे हैं. How many of you had this question in mind? You can raise hand. Nobody is going to. Do you think MAD ad and social development goes, or you feel कि MAD ad नहीं हो सकता उनके लिए या ads नहीं हो सकती? ये कौन है? ये सब लोग जानते हैं. Who is he? What does this picture remind you of? Yes, आम आदमी. किसका है ये? This character? Yes, R.K. Lakshman. So definitely, आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर if he was there today alive, he would have been the biggest influencer? He was that silent observer with his creative mind. He spoke so much about different social issues, right? Giving you that impact. This one picture speaks so much. We don't need to make slides and slides of presentation to show that issue. So that's the magic of ad or creative mind, what we can say. So today, this is an opportunity for each one of you sitting here to create ad, create a humorous ad. It's something like having sugar to gulp down that medicine. It's the best source of advocacy. Laughter, as Ashok ji said. काफ़ी बार एक हंसी मजाक में कही हुई बात बहुत impactful होती है. You can talk on a topic for hours that might not give you results. But one small jingle or ad sort of a thing or something creative that can make you think, हाँ यार, हमने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं. We never thought about it. That's the reason I think Nukkad Nataks are so impactful and so effective to put your points. So definitely Nukkad Natak won't have been possible here, so we opted for MAD ad, which is a smaller version of what we really want to portray. We'll be giving you descriptions and ideas what actually you have to do. So it won't be a team, but you can work in pairs. If you have come from the same organization, you can be one team if you want to do that. And all those who have come alone, they can do it alone, just like R.K. Lakshman. So let's see who is that next R.K. Lakshman in line. And to give you a perspective, we have two very impactful leaders from CSR. First, Dr. Surbi. Now, Dr. Surbi is one who might give you insightful things after this session also. She is part of HCL Academy. She is consultant as well as she is educator. educating thousands and thousands of CSR aspirants on what is CSR laws. Many of us have heard about it, but she really takes that effort and she takes those classes. And those are really very good, knowledgeable classes. I have been part of it and I have passed the exam. And so is my colleague Kanika. Very few people make those kind of impactful CSR projects or who is so involved. We are lucky to work with Ashok ji on several projects, and we have seen that passion in him, wherein he takes interest in each and every small details that goes in those projects. So it's our privilege to have Dr. Surbi and Ashok ji here, even though they are going to be jury, but it's not that jury के वो judge करेंगे and आपको marks देंगे. Definitely थोड़ा सा marks तो देना पड़ेगा, but they will also be at the end giving you feedback. Both of them from their own experience, they will give कि what is the right thing that has happened in the ad and how impactful that is. So that is about our jury for the day. What we are going to do is, there are different team names that we have given. And our volunteers will be going across each one of you, or the DOs, if you're from the same organization. You will be selecting one chit which has got the names. So the different team names are Eco Warriors, Social Saviors, Change Makers, Visionaries, Impact Makers, and Game Changers. So these are the different teams. You can't select it now. You will have to pick up a chit, right? Once you pick up a chit, that becomes your team name. So the volunteers have given you one color sheet. So you will write the name of your team along with the team member names, your organization, and if you can give your email IDs as well. Later, you can select topics. Again, chits. The different topics that we have are food waste, mental health awareness. Now, thanks to the incident which has happened in Pune, the mental health has again come up. Sustainability, education, skill development, community development, and climate change. Again, each one of you will be selecting one chit from here. And the chit that you're selecting, accordingly, will be giving you one idea what you need to do. For example, if it is food waste, so what kind of ads you can make? So what are those cues? For example, raising awareness about food waste and promoting solutions. So each and every ad that you will make, it will talk about the problem, the issues, and at the end there has to be a solution as well. That solution can be humorous, that can be in a sarcastic light, or it can be your own creative mind, coming up with something, really something unique out of the box. Instructions have been given, a key message which should be there, it is given there. General guidelines, for example, will give you around 10 to 15 minutes to write the script because we want an ad. So it has to be really short. Then 10 minutes for recording. Rehearse and record. You can record in your own mobile and then you can share it with us. The video, you can take one corner or as you are performing, we can record it. So any which way that you prefer. After that, 2 minutes presentation. एक बार recording हो जाता है, you know or you have rehearsed. 2 minutes of presentation here, wherein the jury will be marking you. And at the end, jury's feedback for each one of you. The criteria which will be judged is creativity, clarity, humor, social impact, and the way you are delivering on the stage. So combination of all, so total will be 50 marks. So back to school days now. Right? Interesting? Fine? All ready? Fine. Ujjwal, if you could just give me a hand here. So first we are starting with the team names. Please don't forget to write your team names on the paper. Anyone who has got sustainability? We have given a sample script also, but please don't copy. थोड़ा सा original हो लीजिए. Remember that you will be going back. I don't know how many of your kids. They should not ask you, मम्मी copy किया कि खुद लिखा? Same with you. Education. Skill development. Ashok sir is going to be interested in skill development. Community development. Okay. Climate change. Anyone in climate change? Mental health. Food waste. Sir, you can do one thing. He can join here then. So you get a member as well, team. So without wasting time, your timer starts. आप जब प्रेजेंट करें तो प्लीज अपना टीम नंबर और नेम भी बताइएगा.
Very good afternoon. My name is Vikram Kothari and my partner is Sanika, right? And
So we are Team 5, the Impact Makers, and our topic was climate change.
impact makers. और इसका जो narrative है, narrative हम इस तरीके से work out.
एक सेकंड ना, let them start the video.
Video भी है.
अच्छा, he is taking video. Okay. We can give you that video ना sir. आप LinkedIn में डालिए आपका talent.
वो तो already है उसके.
और talent दिखाइए sir.
ऑडिशन कौन सा जाएंगे?
बढ़िया है. Additional income आएगी उसमें. 30% bracket में आ जाएगी. Okay. Sure. कर लिया use यार. बोल के पास थोड़ी पूछेगा. बोल कर सकता नहीं कर सकता.
Stage is yours.
Yeah, everything is.
Okay. So just to give you all an idea of the scene, this alone is a tree that has a huge shade, and I have a line of customers over here.
People like me who are coming in a queue, or you guys are also sitting in a queue. कि आपका number आएगा तो you can take advantage of
Waiting to sit under the tree
under a tree.
for some time, for a half an hour actually, and I'm charging a lot. So this is my startup idea, and this whole place is covered with lots of tall buildings,
High-rises.
commercial, so a jungle of construction and
कंक्रीट जंगल है और वन ऑफ द यू कैन से सनिका के पेरेंट्स ने इस तरह की सिचुएशन को विजुलाइज किया एंड दे इन्वेस्टेड इन प्लांटिंग ए
one
ट्री
just one tree.
और उस ट्री को उन्होंने अपने बच्चे की तरह सेव किया, सेव गार्ड किया, फिर पानी दिया, ठीक है, पूरा नाउ इट्स फुल फ्लेश बड़ा ट्री हो गया है जो शेड दे रहा है काफी अच्छा खासा.
तो मेरी ये startup idea?
बीइंग इन ए हाई राइजेस, तो हम जैसे लोग जो हैं जिसको डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि यार थोड़ी देर जो खुली हवा में सांस लिया करो और एसी में हम लोग नहीं रह सकते. नाउ वी आर कमिंग एट वन ऑफ एज ए पेशेंट टू सनिका कि मैम 1 घंटे का मेरे को टाइम दे दो सो आई कैन सिट इन द ट्री एंड हैव सम क्लीन एयर और 1000 रुपीस और 5000 रुपीस जो आपका चार्ज है
For half an hour.
आई विल पे यू. और नाउ शी इज मिंटिंग मनी लाइक एनीथिंग. और हम जैसे लोग हैं जो क्यू में बैठे हुए हैं कि मैम गिव मी ए टाइम सो आई कैन कम ओवर एंड शी से कि विक्रम आज का स्लॉट पूरा बुक है, 2 दिन बाद आना ठीक 3 बजे, अदरवाइज ये स्लॉट मिस हो गया तो फिर आई कैन नॉट से एनीथिंग.
This was supposed to be a dialogue actually, but हमने narrate ही कर दिया. So here I am sitting on the phone talking to my friend who's like, अरे यार, it's so disturbing nowadays जो भी चल रहा है ये वो, and I am sitting here saying that अरे बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है मेरा, तो एकदम सब चंगा है. I'm earning a lot of money and I also have this green space for myself all the time, and I'm charging other people to use it for half an hour.
Yeah. So कहाँ scan करना है मैम? I will pay and move on.
Okay.
So this
नहीं,
is the, you can say, small that we were trying to convey the message कि अगर ट्री को अगर हम seriously अगर नहीं लेते हैं तो क्या सिनेरियो होगा after 10 decade or 5 decades as such.
आप प्राइस पूछ सकते हो and you know she can quote a price and you can say तो दिलजीत से भी महंगा है आपका बच्चा है. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, बुक माई शो को मैंने मना कर दिया. You can add more humor such like that.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next.
अवार्ड मिलेगा बता देना मैं.
Sir, if you could leave a feedback here. आप भी?
एक ही है, बात एक ही है, टीम में से कोई भी करे.
Sure.
Will.
The mics are there. Please announce your team name and your topic.
Yeah. So our team is Team 1, and we are Eco Warriors, and I'm.
Our topic is education.
I'm Chandramani, and my teammate is Renu Daya. What we're going to present is a scene in a village school, a remote village school. I've come to teach. I'm a robo. I've been pre-programmed to teach certain things, and I only know that. Beyond that, I have no idea. So here I am. So today's class, good morning. I am going to teach you maths. Okay, addition. What is 2 plus 2?
I need a mango.
What is 2 plus 2?
Ma'am, 2 mangoes. I need 2 mangoes.
What is 2 plus 2?
Ma'am, I
Today's
need mango.
class is addition.
Ma'am,
What
mango.
is 2 plus 2?
Ma'am, can I get a mango?
Add 2 plus 2.
Ma'am, can I get 2 mango?
Add 2 plus 2. So, okay, that was the scene. Basically, what we are trying to say is that, in a remote area with paucity of teachers, pre-programmed robots are a very good idea. However, they may not actually connect. So what we would suggest is that this could have been utilized to further teach the child by a human intervention, somebody who's trained and who could have said, yes, you can have 2 mangoes. Now, if you have 2 mangoes and another student has two more mangoes, and you add that, so how many mangoes would the 2 of you together have? So that's another way of teaching. And at the end, when the child has given a correct answer, maybe, you're able to give a mango or something as a, so that was the concept.
Thank you so much. Yeah, next. Great. It's okay.
Hi everybody, my name is Ishwar and he's Lokesh. So in this, the scene is where an employee is totally frustrated because of overload of work and other things and
Yeah, Team 4 Visionaries.
missionaries, and our topic is mental health, and we are going to just get started.
Yeah. Hi Ishwar, I'm feeling sad today, like feeling
Why?
over.
What happened, Lokesh? Always I used to see you smiling with good energy. So what happened to you?
Yeah, it's not working out actually. Even weekends also they are asking me to come to the office. So I'm missing my family time.
Oh, is it? Okay. So, what is it you did? So, hope you have
So-
spoken to your.
Yeah, the TAT time
Immediate
is
boss?
very high. Actually, workload is like too much. So I am
okay.
given like 3 to 4 people work on my head. So I can't really handle this thing.
Yeah, I totally understand, Lokesh. So please don't worry, first of all. Please relax. Lokesh, the immediate thing I wanted to understand from you is whether it is home or office, our support system is something very important, right? So have you gone and spoke to your
Yeah, I spoke
immediate
to
bosses?
HR, but they are saying no, we can't provide one more person to the team. So I
Okay,
can't.
okay. Uh-huh, that's
You
right.
please I need some solution to do.
I understand,
Something.
totally, totally. First of all, Lokesh, it's all about your momentary, I can understand that 2-3 weeks you've been continuously working. That is one thing which you need to really try and focus. But I think it is quite, it is present, like right now, it is a situation, but again, you can definitely handle it, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to take short breaks in between, right? The immediate small kind of, I can give you few tips, which is like immediate breaks, which is like every half an hour, 5 to 10 minute break, and where you need to just sit and relax for a few minutes, and then you can do, and also try to see how effectively you can do, right? And also try and just take support system. Definitely, if your immediate boss he is not able to help you, then I think you should really also just reach out to the other support systems as such. And also, your colleagues can also just try and just help you out. But you should not be in the same state where I could just feel that you're so anxious and a lot of anxiety is filled up in your mind. So please don't kind of get worried. And I think physical exercise in the mornings are, I know that time is stretched, but again, still I think you should definitely do that. That could really consume a lot of oxygen to you, and that could really give you a lot of energy, right?
I think
So
this will work out. Yeah,
absolutely, and also
I'll try to do that.
drink water, and also this breaks really helps. And I think things would change, and I'll also see what best I can try and just do. And I think rhythmic pranayam or yoga would really help for you in the mornings. So please do try and take care of
I'll
yourself.
try to do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, thanks
Okay.
for your advice.
Thank you, Lokesh.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
So by this actually we want to say what is mental health actually. So it appears to all the people from the kids to the Olympic champions as well. So as we know recent times. So she lost like a gold medal only with the 100 grams of weight. So that's where actually mental health comes into the picture. So it works with all the children as well as all the age groups. So if you are left behind, please ask for the help and seek for the help. There are so many helplines which are there in the internet. So from there we can get and we can talk to them actually. So we can reduce our stress levels by talking to each other. So we have to keep some friendly atmosphere around us. So that's where we can take out this mental health and we can keep our life happy. Thank you.
Absolutely. And also mental health, kind of again, the biggest problem is people can't really get it without seeing. They might see that you're quite normal, but again, there is a lot of stress which goes into you, and we know there are various issues and other things which is emerging. So we do this initiative called as Putri in Tamil Nadu, and we could just see when we interact with children, a lot of children are there. They are in the adolescent stage, and their hormonal changes and other things are there. So they are not in a position to really express, or we don't have counselors at schools, right? So that's something is a major thing, and we take up as a special responsibility to make sure that we interact, we identify such children, and give that kind of proper counseling to really bring them out of that particular state of mind. So that's something I think we all need to create more awareness. And I think because another myth is going for support is another, medical support is another big thing. So they think like, are you really taking me to a psychologist? Am I a mental? So those kind of things are there. I think we should really make them to understand that that's quite normal, and what you're undergoing is fine. So I think that's something is a very strong communication. We need to try and just get it to that level. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Definitely something that.
I know it was a serious one. No humor in it.
Thank you so much. Feedback at the end you can give. Skill.
Hi everyone. So our topic is skill development, and here we are focusing on how do we utilize our time and how do we always keep on learning new things which will help us out. So in Oh, our team, the name is The Game Changer. Sorry, I forgot to. Yeah, just the name was there. We are the Game Changers. And here we are going to talk about skill development. So basically, we have a very short script for you all, and here we are focusing on 2 members. So we'll just enact it for you, and then let's go ahead with that. Skill development. So we start off with a very common example that 2 of us, we are working on an assignment and which is due for submission on, at midnight. So both of us are working and then, yeah.
We can show you what we do here and then you can just see what happens with the assignment. Yeah. So the situation is that my friend here, AK, she's working on an assignment like from the starting of the date and like from the day the assignment was given till the very end, making changes and everything. And there's the other person, that is me, LA, and I am scrolling my phone using Instagram and watching reels and basically wasting my time and not working on the assignment. And then later on, how the, you know.
Oh, are you stressed? Do you really need some help? Yeah. Just click on the link that you just saw on Instagram. I am your latest unpaid intern. Tell me what I can do for you.
Oh, okay. So, hi, my little unpaid intern. Can you write me a essay on cow? And please write it in Hindi.
ओके हेयर यू गो LA. मोर हमारा राष्ट्र पक्षी है. मोर बहुत ही सुंदर होता है. वो बारिश के
ये क्या बोले जा रहे हो? काव पे लिखना है हिंदी में.
ओ अच्छा काओ. नो प्रॉब्लम LA. हेयर इज द रिवाइज्ड वर्जन फॉर यू.
Okay. This looks good. Thank you very much. So, like the script ends here, and the message is like even when you're working smart, keep your eyes and mind open, and don't just follow everything blindly. Work smart, not hard, but master the art of procrastination. Thank you. I'm sorry, I'm shivering.
All right, so I'm Team 2, the social saviors, and what I'm trying to save the world from is food waste, and I define the team as the fridge avengers. So the scene opens, and it's a messy kitchen, and there is a fridge which is flooded with a lot of food waste. Think about it: spoiled milk, soggy spinach, rotting tomatoes, and it's just there. It's all lying there, and we are just standing. I was like, what to do? Someone like me would probably pick up everything and throw it away. That's when the fridge avengers enter. And we are trying to change the world of this rotting food that's there. So my superheroes are the mighty cheesy paneer, the mighty cottage cheese. And for the soggy spinach, I have the smoothie, the super smoothie. Okay. I'm the world where perfectly good food is getting tossed away. a team of our unlikely heroes, the super smoothie and the mighty cottage cheese emerges from the depth of your fridge. Together they fight the greatest evil of food waste. And the villains. The villains are the rotten tomatoes and the soggy spinach. They go like, no, don't kill us like that, don't. And the narrator again comes into picture. When hunger strikes, don't let those leftovers go bad. Allow the fridge avengers to make the most of that rotting food. And let that soggy spinach turn into a super smoothie that gives you health and of course saves some wealth, because you're not letting it throw away. And the cottage cheese from that spoiled milk makes some amazing paneer that you can serve for dinner. So the slogan goes like this: the fridge avengers, because every meal deserves a second chance. That's me, please. Thank you.
नमस्कार. My team number 3. Topic is sustainability. Three. कुल्हाड़ी कितने लोग जानते हैं? कुल्हाड़ी जंगल में आ रही थी. सारे पेड़ परेशान थे कि आज हम लोग काटे जाएंगे. एक बूढ़ा पेड़ सारे पेड़ को समझा रहा था कि जब तक हमारा कोई भी एक आदमी उस कुल्हाड़ी का सहयोग नहीं करेगा तब तक हम लोग नहीं काटे जाएंगे. कहने का तात्पर्य यह था कि इस पर्यावरण को बर्बाद करने में पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र के यानी इकोसिस्टम के वो सभी लोग जिम्मेदार हैं जो उसमें हैं. हम लोग भी उतने ही जिम्मेदार हैं पारिस्थितिकों को ख़त्म करने में जितना हमें उसकी आवश्यकता है. पेड़ काटकर हम लोग इकोसिस्टम को बर्बाद कर रहे हैं और खुद ही बर्बाद हो रहे हैं. इकोसिस्टम को बचाना अगर है तो हम उसके लिए खुद जिम्मेदार हैं. इसके लिए महामानव तथागत गौतम बुद्ध ने एक आदर्श वाक्य दिया था, अत दीपो भव, यानी हम अपना प्रकाश स्वयं बने या हम अपना काम खुद करें. और किसी भी चीज़ के लिए बुद्ध ने ये बात बताई थी कि किसी भी काम को करने के लिए हम खुद जिम्मेदार हैं. और जिम्मेदार इसलिए हैं क्योंकि जो क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है या जो पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र में जो परिवर्तन हो रहा है वो पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र में हर एक आदमी एक न एक चीज़ से जुड़ा हुआ है. और उस चीज़ से जैसे हम अगर पेड़ को काट देते हैं तो पेड़ को जानवर खाता है. जानवर जो छोटे छोटे जानवर होते हैं वो बड़े जानवर उनको खाते हैं. बड़े जानवर को आदमी खा जाता है. आदमी जब मरता है या आदमी को भी कुछ जानवर खा जाते हैं. फिर जब एक चेन बनी हुई है, खाद्य श्रृंखला जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ठीक है, फूड चेन बनी हुई है. और उस फूड चेन में अगर हम किसी भी चीज़ को बीच से अगर हम उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं, अगर हम पेड़ को ही मान लें कि अगर इस डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं तो फिर हम खुद अपने आप डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगे. यही इसका मैसेज है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Now I would like to request Dr. Surbhi and Ashok ji to please come and give your feedback. After is the real medicine, and that's the reason Mad Ad. So this is one way for EVP. So I would like a feedback from the angle of the projects that you are handling. you have so many years of experience. You have seen so many projects. You have worked in different aspirational districts. Same thing, Dr. Surbi, आपका experience इतना है because you deal with so many new generation who are learning. So what do you feel the things that they have presented? It was, I will not say it was a perfect ad, but a koshish. So we want your feedback for that one koshish, for that thought, because they are the impact leaders. They all are impact leaders. We all are here to make that impact. So we need a feedback for that.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate CSR Box for this out-of-box thinking. You know, we are here to discuss all the serious issues, poverty and marginal, how we are going to help the nation building. And we all are in a very serious mood and mode that how much and how we can contribute towards all of that. But doing that in a manner which is not giving us fulfillment, satisfaction, but also the happiness. Fun way of doing it. Right? So bringing that angle to it, I think was very, very important. I can see a lot of faces in the corridors. If you see, सब बड़े serious से हैं. हम अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, हम दुखी क्यों हैं? हम सब अच्छे काम में से जुड़े हुए हैं and contribute कर रहे हैं sector को. And this is as good as any other work that people are doing in the organization. So there should be happiness in what we are doing. So congratulations to CSR Box for coming up with such creative idea over here. Going forward, to be honest, 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 7 मिनट में कुछ ऐड बना पाना, कितना भी एक्सपीरियंस हो अपना, पर जिस चीज़ को हम नहीं करते उसको करना is again kudos to all of you for coming up with such brilliant ideas. All of you had presented an idea which struck a chord with us. If I go one by one, the first one which we saw was from Team 5, the tree plantation, the one tree that they planted, you know. That's a brilliant thought. Actually, and irony is we are talking about environment focus is increasing on environment and a lot is spent on environment, and but still on the name of development, thousands of trees are being cut. And वो दिन दूर नहीं है actually जब actually ऐसा हो सकता है if we are not conscious enough. So that was very nice thing. They included humor also in it, which was the tagline or which was the core theme. So we really liked that idea. The teamwork was also good. To be honest, teamwork was across, I found that was there. Now the next one which we really I liked was the Eco Warrior, the education one which your team presented, right? So yes, that was a good one. Again, you came up with a good idea. Maybe we could have had more punchlines. We could have, I think, though the idea of 2 + 2 and mangoes and the way she stuck to the mangoes piece was there. But maybe we could have included a little more over there. But yeah, even that was nice. One thing I felt across, maybe some jingle or something. Though we heard, tomato bade mazedar, oh, tomato bade mazedar. And that just brought a smile because this is the theme was humor. So that was missing somewhere. And I think jingle could have made it more playful and more happy. So yeah, over to your team. That was a good effort over there. On procrastination. Again, little more clarity could have been brought about, but I understand with such shortage of time and limited resources, it becomes difficult. And then we had the Fridge Avengers. That was again very, very interesting. Yes, we talk about food waste and all, but our fridges are full. They never see the light. From there, they go directly down the drains into the dustbins. So interesting one. And yes, there one little element again, I felt the element of humor was little missing, though it was an impactful thing to say that there's so much over there. And I think it's culture also that plays a major role in India. We don't eat something which is, you know, do din se fridge mein rakha, so maybe we'll not go back. Maybe it's also a cultural thing. But we talk so much about food wastage and all, but in reality, that's not happening. So good take, very good take. Then we had the one on the mental health. That again, very, very relevant, very important, the kind of scenario. छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी हम देख रहे हैं, they need the mental health support. And again, this is the sector of, this is the area where corporates are also focusing now. yes, to bring humor into mental health is very difficult, and maybe we should not even do something like that to mental health kind of thing. But again, it was little away from the theme that we are presenting today. But yes, definitely it makes an impact, and it's a very powerful thing, and we need to talk more about it. People are coming up now. I heard Alia Bhatt earlier, she spoke about depression. Recently, she's speaking about ADHD.
Correct.
So when celebrities like Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, they are coming up, and when they talk about it, makes an impact. कि ये normal सी बात है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो पहले thought processes थे, they are changing, and I think it's all up to us, especially people in the sector, who have to raise it. So thanks to you. One I'm missing. Which one was that?
The last one. The last one.
Yeah, the last one. That was, what was the theme? If I just,
Sustainability.
I'm sorry, I didn't make any note of the last one. We just started writing. Again, it was a one team effort over there, right? Yeah. So humor का एलिमेंट जो था वो थोड़ा हमारा वहाँ पे मिसिंग हो गया था. हालांकि आपने स्टार्ट बड़े उससे करा. मुझे पंचतंत्र की कहानियों की तरफ मैं मुड़ गई थी जब आपने कुल्हाड़ी की बात करी. मैं आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू अ स्टोरी कि और थोड़ी स्टोरी टेलिंग होगी इसमें और हम कुछ बोलेंगे. आपने टीम वर्क की बात करी वहाँ पे कि एज ए टीम व्हेन वी वर्क हाउ इट इम्पैक्ट. तो अगेन थॉट बहुत अच्छा था, इम्पैक्ट है उसका, पर ह्यूमर हमारा वहाँ कहीं मिसिंग था. थोड़ी क्लैरिटी है उसमें हम और आती तो थोड़ा सा मज़ा और आता. बट अगेन इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिशन, सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन वेल एंड वी हैव टू रैंक देम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. बट thanks to all of you and kudos to all of you for such brilliant efforts. Thank you once again. Over to you, sir.
I think she has, that's the benefit of coming after a good observer and a good speaker. My job becomes easier. But of course, first clap for all of you, right? Because you chose to be here today when others are doing networking, lunchtime, right? And you chose to be here and focus on developing a skill or maybe exploring an area which you would not have explored before. So definitely kudos to all of you. It is indeed challenging, to produce something within a short span of time and then to present it. And I think kudos to Smita ji and her team to bring all the elements together, right? Asking them to create a script, enact it, make a movie which will go on LinkedIn, giving a feedback, right? So it's like a activity in a very small capsule, right? So this gives you a taste, and I hope you are inspired to go back to your workplaces and do more of this, right? So cheers to you, Smita ji, and the entire initiative. Coming back to the specific ads, right, in the interest of time, right, I think the first one, which we, of course, what started, I think, was about you, right, the Eco Warriors, right, the tree plantation, the one tree which was planted. So the idea was nice, really loved it. It reminded me of the movie, right? There was this one movie where there are no women left in the country and how the society reacts, right? So this was very similar, that there's no tree and only one tree. And I did give you immediate feedback that you could have Diljit comparison and people really eyeing to get a space under that. So well executed. Nice idea. You had more avenues to explore your humor part of it, right? And show and also take that, how a couple is coming for some space, kids are coming, and you have the different people who make the demands for that tree, right? So each of the user segment could create a humor for you, but again, within a short span, well executed and really nice. Your aspect, I actually loved the start, right? And I was like, this was about, of course, teaching, learning, and I saw the robot, right? And we always talk about a hybrid model where technology has to be done by the human, and it was an interesting idea. I thought maybe if you had little stretched it, you getting frustrated with the robo, ab usko maar rahe ho, thoda peet rahe ho, right? Thoda usko aur masti kar rahe ho, right? You could have brought a diversity in your humor. But again, a well thought process. ये भी हो सकता था कि electricity चली गई तो robo कैसे behave कर रहा है. So you could bring different aspect of it and play with that. But again, a point well, you had the humor. आपने बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग की, so you definitely were able to hold our attention, so definitely another good thing. Coming to your skill development area, maybe I had more expectation the way you started, and Instagram generation, you started talking about that, so had a little more expectation, and I thought you didn't go into the depth of the topic. Skill development, of course, has many facets, right? And when you started talking about instant help, right? You could have it in a different way, where you could give different assignments, or you could have a prop, and within a short span, how you use the Instagram itself to develop your skills, and realized over a period of time that let me check the phone and let me do something else, right? Because then a lot of more things you could have had. The props coming, or the nudges coming for you to put the phone and do some activities there. Okay, paint this sheet, bring this out, or enact this, put a video, upload, and give that deliverable, right? So you could have used, while your idea was great, you could have used the nudges more interestingly, and that could have been better. But again, nice attempt for sure. Mental health topic, again, always a very difficult topic for us. I think she spoke about Alia ji. Deepika Padukone recently did a podcast with Ariana Huffington about that, and they spoke about how challenging it is to push. In fact, Kangana Ranaut ki movie thi, Mental Hai Kya, and she had to change the name because you can't use certain terminologies. So the communication in mental health is very, very difficult. We run a group of mental health entrepreneurs, and there are different things which we have tried, right? Like using chatbots, right? So saying that, it's okay to be not okay, right? Or again, using the camaraderie, using the ecosystem, using the friendship angle, using those angles to put the communication. I felt, again, as I said, it's very difficult, but the mandate of this session was that to bring some lightness. I would not say humor should be there in mental health, but होगा तो भी कर सकते, right? Maybe I would do, but it would be very controversial, right? मैं बोलूँगा कि I am taking a mental health counseling, और वो बोलेगा पागल है क्या? And you say, पागल नहीं हूँ इसलिए, right? But now this पागल word in today's India can bring, but it's very difficult. But थोड़ा light नहीं था आपका topic. It ended little preachy. And maybe that is something which we could have looked at. Coming to the sustainability topic, again, madam की जैसे आपने शुरुआत की कुल्हाड़ी की, so that was nice. You covered different aspects, but थोड़ा dry लगा मुझे. Message थोड़ा lost हो गया. So maybe, of course, you were also one person, तो आपके पास challenge भी थी कि आपको अकेले कैसे deliver करना है. But that attempt was nice, and impact थोड़ा और अच्छे से हो सकता था, is what I feel. Last but not the least, madam, you definitely were able to engage the audience. You were able to get their attention, which is a very big thing in a communication. Within a short span, how do you get that? Your premise of the Fridge Avengers was nice. You used good communication techniques, the alliterations, soggy spinach, etc. So those were all bang on. You could have really gone for the kill and also did like a audit of a fridge. ये last Diwali का base ये है, सोन पापड़ी पड़ी है, right? और ये शर्मा जी की भिंडी है, right? So you could have really taken the audits and bring it, right? So that could have been a better. But clearly you really made an impact, and you covered all the elements of creativity. Your clarity was there in the topic, so indeed it was very impactful. I think you can straight go to the recording and get this out as a Food Avengers, and it would be really nice. Of course today we did not have the benefit of the visual medium, but मैं spinach को कोई Avenger के अवतार में देखूंगा, मैं Iron Man में पनीर को देखूंगा. So you can really take it to the next level, and with all the Gen AI tools which Smita ji is learning, you can do this. So I would urge you to really take this to the finish, use some Gen AI tools and put it out there. I think, and that applies to all of you. आपके पास idea है, because सबसे important चीज़ इस दुनिया में idea है, and you have the intent. So हमारा feedback जो ज़रा सा 1% है, but उसको आप देखिए, आप एक दूसरे का feedback लीजिए. Use this tool. बहुत बार क्या होता है कि हम लोग we take the ideas, we get inspired, but when we go out of the room, again Instagram takes over, phone calls take over, work deadlines take over and lose. But take this opportunity maybe on your flight back, on your journey back, think of this weekend and put it to the production. That will be really the best gift you can give to Smita ji out of this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Definitely not running out for lunch when the lunch is served outside. So thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for participating. One thing that I would like to conclude, definitely all the problems is because of this Sharma ji. I don't know Sharma ji को कितने hiccups आते होंगे. Sharma ji क्या कहेंगे? Whether it is mental health or anything, वो Sharma ji is to be blamed. So in India, if anything goes wrong, it is Sharma ji is to be blamed. So very true, Ashok ji. So that is what we meant. Create something out of the box. Each one of us have got that creative spark. And this way, we can definitely motivate volunteers to come forward and do something different. Something that will be impactful because दिल से करेंगे. और दिल से की हुए हर एक चीज will definitely give you results because they will be happy. तो बहुत सारी चीज एक ही तीर से हो जाती है आपका. Laughter that will create impact in the society, that will give a message. At the same time, the volunteers will be happy because they will have something to work on. And definitely the teamwork. Today, total strangers, they worked in a team. So kudos to all of you. Thank you so much. As an end, please leave your feedbacks. That's important for us to move ahead and come out with more such innovative outside the box ideas.